Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by slicing onions thin so they pickle quickly. This increases surface area and flavor uptake. Once sliced, put them in a clean jar. Heat the brine now. Combine 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt until sugar dissolves. This balances acidity and sweetness. Make sure to add aromatics like peppercorns and bay leaf for depth. Move quickly while brine is hot, because hot brine penetrates onion layers faster and yields crisp, vibrant pickles. Once the brine is ready, pack the onion slices into the jar so they're snug but not crushed. Leave 1/2 inch at the top to allow expansion. Pour the hot brine over the onions until fully submerged and tap the jar to release trapped air. Air pockets slow pickling. Make sure the aromatics are distributed. Push down gently with a spoon. Let the jar cool to room temperature before sealing. After that, refrigerate. Chilling helps set texture and mellows sharpness. You'll get edible onions after 1 day, but once done, wait 24 hours up to 3-5 days for peak sweetness and color. Make sure to use clean utensils each time you sample. Contamination shortens shelf life. Seal and refrigerate. These keep well for up to 3 weeks because the vinegar preserves them. If the brine becomes cloudy, smells off, or produces foam, stop and discard. The acid balance or sanitation likely failed. In that case, remake with fresh vinegar and sterilized jar to be safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.